The Tema Motorway is more than just a highway. It is the story of Ghana itself, a story of vision, ambition, and rebirth. When it first opened in 1965 under the leadership of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Ghana's first president, it wasn't just a road. It was a statement of pride and progress. Stretching over 19 kilometers, it connected the capital city, Accra, to the industrial port city of Tema, the beating heart of Ghana's new economy. At that time, it was the first motorway of its kind in West Africa, symbolizing Nkrumah's dream of a modern, self-reliant nation. For decades, the motorway carried more than cars and cargo. It carried the spirit of a people on the move. But as the years went by, Ghana grew. The cities expanded, the traffic multiplied, and the once proud motorway began to show its age. When it was new, the Tema Motorway was a marvel, smooth, fast, and full of promise. It became the lifeline for trade and transport, moving goods from Tema harbour into Accra and across the country. But as time passed, the cracks began to appear, literally. The surface broke, potholes deepened, and the once efficient highway turned into a daily struggle. Congestion worsened, accidents increased, and frustration grew. The road that once represented progress now became a symbol of delay and decay. By the 2000s, it was clear Ghana had outgrown the motorway. The nation needed something stronger, safer, and smarter, a road built for the future, not the past. Under the leadership of His Excellency, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, and the new Patriotic Party, NPP government, the call for renewal finally became action. The Tema Motorway expansion project was launched, not as a repair job, but as a full transformation. The vision was bold and clear. Expand the aging two-lane road into a modern multi-lane expressway capable of supporting Ghana's growing cities, industries, and future trade ambitions. This was not just about asphalt. It was about building a 21st century economic artery, complete with modern interchanges, service roads, improved lighting, proper drainage, and pedestrian bridges to protect lives. Such a massive project required an equally ambitious financing model. The government turned to public-private partnerships, PPP, engaging both domestic and international investors. This approach spread the cost, brought in world-class engineering expertise, and ensured the motorway would not just be built, but maintained sustainably. It was a smart model for a modern Ghana, efficient, accountable, and built to last. This project wasn't a luxury, it was an urgent necessity. Population growth. Accra's population has exploded, putting immense pressure on the road. Trade demands. Tema harbour handles over 80% of Ghana's imports and exports. The motorway is its lifeline. Safety issues. Accidents and congestion had become a daily nightmare. Regional importance. The motorway forms part of the Trans-West African Highway, connecting Ghana to Togo, Nigeria, and beyond. In short, the old motorway could no longer carry Ghana's ambitions. Expansion was the only way forward. The new motorway is being designed to world-class standards, multiple lanes in both directions, new interchanges to replace dangerous U-turns, safe pedestrian bridges, modern street lighting, and drainage systems strong enough to withstand Ghana's heavy rains. Every kilometre has been planned with safety, speed, and sustainability in mind. This is more than road construction. It is nation building. The economic ripple effects are enormous. Travel time, reduced dramatically for commuters and transporters. Safety, improved design and lighting save countless lives. Trade, faster movement of goods from Tema harbour strengthens Ghana's economy. Jobs, thousands of Ghanaians benefit from construction, engineering, and long-term maintenance work. Tourism and investment. A modern highway boosts confidence and attracts development. And the social benefits? They're just as powerful. Shorter commutes mean more time with family. Safer crossings mean fewer tragedies. A well-built road means peace of mind for millions. The expansion fits directly into Ghana's broader development agenda, the Big Push Initiative, a national plan to industrialize, create jobs, and transform infrastructure across the country. Tema's role as an industrial hub is being reimagined. With a modern harbour and highway, factories can operate more efficiently, investors can move goods faster, and the entire corridor from Tema to Accra can flourish. The motorway is more than a road. It's the spine of Ghana's economic transformation. Beyond Ghana's borders, the motorway strengthens the ECOWAS trade corridor. Neighbouring countries like Burkina Faso, Niger, and Mali depend on Tema Harbour for their imports and exports. Every improvement to this road makes regional trade faster, cheaper, and safer. Ghana's leadership in AfCFTA becomes even stronger, positioning the country as the logistics and trade hub of West Africa. This project bridges Ghana's history and its destiny. It honours Dr. Kwame Nkrumah's original dream while fulfilling former President Akufo-Addo's, and to the incumbent President His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, modern vision for a strong, industrial, globally competitive Ghana. It's a story of continuity. One generation laying the foundation, another building upon it, and the next preparing to inherit it. The motorway that once symbolised the dawn of Ghana's independence now represents the dawn of a new economic era, one powered by innovation, unity, and progress. The Tema Motorway expansion is not just a road, it's a legacy in motion. It connects past to present, vision to reality, and people to opportunity. It represents what Ghana stands for: resilience, renewal, and readiness for the future. As the lights shine along the new lanes and traffic flows smoothly once again, every Ghanaian can look at this road and say, this is ours.
This is Boldest. This is Ghana. The fakeness, if you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. Knock the ropes, knock the gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind the fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that all the people never got anyone's love, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Mental health is confidence, dreams, and some modestness. I'm not here to say the things that's for you to take away. I can play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving. Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, the cops ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning, I need a big change, help me feel like boy, how you gon'?
Mother